So guys, we're getting ready to go hiking. Calvary's forcing me to go hike. So we're going to Mt Vaea.
Alright. We're now with the boys, with Elijah, Maya, and we're heading out. First time, bro, this is literally first time hiking in like not first time hiking. I hike every day. But first time back on the track. First time for Maya, which is awesome. And for Elijah, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm in my singai. No, I'm just kidding. Elijah's the man. So we're gonna pick up his training gear. I hike with like jandals, but I got my Crocs on, so just gonna change my jersey, and then we're gonna go all the way up to the popular track, Mt Vaea. Yeah,
guys, depressed. Very depressed. Half is buffet. Half is buffet.
Fogo mai Samoa, e sei fire tu lautala, tala isi olu asile lona manaia, otia fao le mala e fono, e tu e fao Samoa, olo pese ai tamaiti o le penina. Esi onu, esi lele la lele. Wa ese foi ona uiga I ona pone. Se o fia fa ai no e uala elo fa pene. E mulinu e fale amaose. A essa valiane ele au Lena fama sinoga ufanua masuafa Oloia e maledu e pisi o fofoga Samoa Le ofisa o fetu e ilo ai le tau o Samoa E si onu e si lile la lele Why se foi ona uiga I ona pone Se ofia fa ai no e uala I lo fa pene E mulinu e fai le amaose
Sila mai o Wailima National Reserve.
Cut. Yeah. Kus. Ready?
Ja, ka koe whai. Uma whai ko le ngias. Parodo. I'm already heavy breathing, guys. I am already heavy breathing. And we're not even at the freaking entrance.
do this.
Okay.
I think I should walk behind you.
Huh?
Are you good? Oh no, because it's 360, yo.
Yeah.
Just give like Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter vibes. Why they fucking my eye? The heck? Now it's so weird. Oh, look how much there's so much shade in here, though. I don't think I've ever seen it look this green before. Ain't no show guys to keep people. Nee, wat ben je? Ja, dat is
Yeah. 3 hours each. Yeah, which can take like several days to do one. No.
We haven't even started. You haven't spoken. You haven't said a single word.
Have to control my breathing. Settle let me.
But we're not even at the. That was just the entrance. Like this track hasn't even started yet.
Did you hear that?
So when the track starts, this is just the entrance. When the track starts.
Oh my gosh!
A little bit over there. Daddy. Daddy, right?
Bumwa ko luôn.
Hello. Kailangan mahal. Kasi wala tayo mahal.
Yeah.
Pakaya ko luôn. Ei mas sela po se afo.
Let's go.
Eu pakaya ko luôn. Vai, ei mas se afo.
So we're just here for
Oh,
love.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, we'll go for it. Bye. Yo, come on. Stay angle shit. Wait, look. Switch. Thì đâu vậy á, đừng ngẩn lăng gì mà. Thì đâu vậy. Stay away to heaven. Memang makan, memang stay away to heaven. KFC di kari, beri mungkin sudah ada. Apa ya?
Okay.
Kasih mereka, mereka pun. You can go up there, you can come up here. Should have made this.
God, I have to walk up this. Sorry, brother. Oi, mate. Yeah, walk. Sorry, brother.
Mau makom ya.
Malo. Oh, brother.
Malo.
Just this climb and then you'll go.
Excuse me.
Like there's no more steep climb. Now it's just angle.
Yeah, a couple of miles. I was serious when I said help is wealth, guys. Oh.
What's up? No, it's right there. Just wait for them to. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, op jou voor. Moet je zo pakken?
Guys, if I can make that up here, oh, you can. You just inspired me. There's a full Maggie up there. And what's the oxygen here? Oh, yeah, bro.
Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we're gonna keep going.
I have no excuse.
I told you, that's the age demographic that you usually find up here with the.
If I can't, somebody get it for.
See that one? Last one there. Oh, this is an easy one. It may look hard, but light work. That's light work. Trust me. Trust you. You got it. You got it. Push, 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 push. Thế đi, về cuối đâu về sáng phải đi kia người kiểu cứ đừng ai bộ hay ơi người ông cua nó lẽ của mày thế lạ phải sang rồi cái phải sang nó kiểu phải sang được giờ ê Shelly bộ vậy để ăn luôn cô ngô Marion Jones. Come on, Oos. There you go. Push it. Push it, Oos. One after the other. One leg after the other. The other thing that helps me, man, don't look, well, of course look at your step, but try to keep your head up as you're hiking. So it almost feels like you're aiming for somewhere. And so your body just keeps pushing you. Let's go. Nice. Get some rest in, get some breaths in. Nice. Sully, you're doing great, Uso. Look how far we came. Let's go. Yeah, just try to keep your head up as much as you can, but watch your step at the same time. Control your breathing.
Yeah. Follow my aim up a journey.
For the first one, Sully. For the
Our first time,
Yeah. You did really well.
I made it halfway.
Shots.
And I made it halfway. I don't know if that's a testament or something to be proud of. I'm definitely proud.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, I can't go any further. Look at my heart rate. 140. Any higher and I'm gonna have a heart attack. So I'm gonna call it. Cal and Elijah are gonna keep going.
Nah, just Elijah. I'll go with you.
And then we'll meet them back down here. Hold on.
Tôi qua bảo vệ đâu quá luôn rồi. Cái yếu rồi. Sẽ yếu rồi. Mà sang đi đâu ha? Told you when it becomes like it becomes fun and just becomes like a lifestyle. So that's where we want to be in a few weeks, not a few months, a few weeks.
Nah, thanks.
Nah, all good.
I appreciate you, bro.
So all good.
Guys, I'm not gonna say it because the new year coming up, but the next few weeks,
Hell yeah.
next 3 months, we're gonna work on our health journey.
Absolutely.
We're gonna come back to Australia, New Zealand, or wherever. And hopefully, I'll be slimmer.
Stay tuned. We're gonna be having like meal plans and stuff, right? I mean, that's down the road. But yeah, shucks. What were we supposed to do? Weights? Yeah, nah. We'll get boxing gloves. But yeah, so I feel like you had it hard because we ate before we came. And shucks, you did really well for someone who had like a whole ass meal. So yeah.
I have steak.
Yeah,
I
shucks.
have steak.
Yo, we were about to turn back down. Everyone who passed by, literally, when they saw Maya, they were like encouraging him, like, you did great. There's literally one more turn. Not telling you, nah, that's enough. You don't need to prove anything. You literally showed. The fact that you showed up is more than enough. Look at him go. Slow down, Oos. Tell me. Slow down, Oos. One step at a time. So yeah, man, just like up. Forget about the cramps. He's about to muscle this too. That's a beast. What you call heart right there. Look at him go. Ayosu. Push. Right behind you, bro. So hopefully next time we'll get Risa, David, and Mercy to come with us. Bro, I've been talking for like 5 minutes and the record wasn't even on. Sucks. So dumb. But yeah, we're on our way down. Everyone that has passed us congratulated us, especially Maya. Never to give up, they're telling him. Doesn't matter where you stop, as long as you never give up. So probably next Tuesday, nah, Monday. For sure Monday, yeah. Start running again.
Guys, makuha le ti terva oli mele la o if I. Usually, I like to earn my reward. Put the effort in. No shortcuts. But today will be the exception. First time ever climbing a mountain, hiking, in like the last 20 years. Last time I did something like this was youth camp, and also when I was in high school for outdoor ed. We used to go hiking. Ke mila lai whit loka ma. Oh, or gaming. Talk about being vulnerable, eh guys? This is me being vulnerable. Just showing you any effort to live a better life, health, you know, education, careers, church, whatever. That's a plus for me. Shout out to Cal pushing us. But to be honest, like, maybe this will be my last time in a while, because my body mass coming down. You can feel the velocity behind me. This is the water. This is the water. I don't deserve to go Eileen. But I am. We are walking back. I have never been so excited to see my car. Guys, I'm gone. Tomorrow, we only did this like kasi loku kayawa and I'm pape luomako service. Yeah, ili kayawa mai. Paya like kung ako from my chemical mena pa ko yung only one service. Phải quay phút. Hồi mà ngay giờ lục quá, mà ngay giờ đi kêu kêu ông, hồi mà lại cầm mấy cái cả bắc á, giờ mà lại track. Yeah. That's one of the church buses in front of us.
There's a scripture that I was reading, Proverbs 23:7. First man thinking in his heart, so was he. And there's a man who used to come from like the south now.
You know, it's a good tour season. Unfortunately, we didn't make the finals. But you know, had my challenges here and there. I think there was mainly just defense and my passing. But hopefully for the next year, I'll be able to renew myself, new season, get better, and make sure we win the finals for next year.
What's it like being a school captain actually for your rugby team?
You know, it's just it's a bit of pressure, but like, you know, it feels good, brings up your confidence.
And we're here.
You feel like you're getting looked up to, so like you have to put out a good rep for yourself and for the team.
Good morning, guys. I put out a request to see what people wanted to see, and I was asking if people wanted to see what we do here at church every Sunday. Today is a very important day for our Pia Church worship center. It's our sacrifice pledge. So I'm going to take you through my fit from Jolene. in Melbourne. Check out their website, jolay20.com. But I'm going to show you the behind the scenes for our media team and what we do. So this is our Studio B, which is where the graphics team is. So these guys, all they do is control the online sound. Everything is mixed from the bottom mixer, and all we do is just control the volume. So this is in-house. My sound, well, I can hear, and that's for the actual online. So yeah. Sam, what are you doing right now?
360 camera.
360 camera. So Sam, he's one of our, he's our editor for a lot of our socials. He goes to Samoa College. And this is one of our camera crew, Waterfall. Both of them are in high school. They are our youngest members. Sam is 14, he said. Sam is 14 and Waterfall is 17. There you go. So church starts in like 15 minutes. I'm now in our second studio, which is the main studio where we do our broadcasting for online. So check it out. This is our video director. There's the comms for our camera shots. So we have 6 cameras. That's the computer for our A10. And then that's the computer that has Presenter, which is our screen operator. And that's Ben. It's our rack. So what you see here, these things here, that's for the white balances of the cameras. And we have our video hub there and our web presenters. One is for Facebook, the other one is for YouTube. So we use these to live stream our stuff instead of OBS, so that it takes the processing power away from the computer. And we have our other rack, and then our live rack. Here are the girls leading the way in our pro dinner. This is Stella. He's one of the bosses of the camera crew. So that's what it looks like behind the scenes every Sunday. What's up guys, here with the media, our graphics crew. That's Cal, Junior, and Risa, and Dylan. So these guys are the brains behind the media team.
자, 드라마 미디어 팀 BTS.